My name's Alex Romano, and I've worked for PW for about 1.5 years now. I used to work for I used to manage a salmon farm out on the West Coast. And what I like about PW is the guys around here, the camaraderie. Just working with different guys, and they've all been real good. And you can tell with the amount of tenure that's in the company, that the guys really like the company, and it just shows with working with everybody, and that's